Description: Rich Repair Restoring Shampoo instantly reconstructs and reawakens the shine of natural hair. Benefits: As gentle as water, the unique FadeStop formula minimizes color fading with every use. Suggested use: Work through wet hair. Lather and rinse thoroughly. Top reviews from the United States. Priced right for good shampoo. My husband and I both like this shampoo very much. Easy to use. It keeps our long hair very shiny and clean. I have used it for several years. Keeps color bright for a long time. Have been using this shampoo for a long time, has kept my color bright for a long time.